Imagine 2024 is the year you're going to break through in your career, the year your wallet starts getting noticeably thicker. How do you make that happen? The answer lies in the skills you bring to the table. Curious about which skills can help you do that? Let's dive into it together. I'm going to walk you through the top 8 skills you should consider learning if you want to seriously boost your income. We'll start from number 8 and work our way up to number 1. I'll explain everything in a casual, easy to understand way, like we're just chatting over a cup of coffee. Ready? Let's get started. Number 8. UI, UX design, user interface and user experience design. Let's kick things off with UI, UX design. This might sound like some fancy tech job, but it's actually pretty straightforward. UI, user interface, is how something looks, and UX, user experience, is how it feels to use. In other words, UI, UX designers make sure apps and websites not only look nice but are also super easy to use. Example: have you ever used an app that just felt confusing, and you didn't know what to click? That's bad UI, UX. On the flip side, think about an app that's smooth and intuitive. You know where everything is, and it's a breeze to use. That's great UI, UX. And companies pay top dollar to make sure their apps work like that. Income potential. If you're good at this, as a freelance UI, UX designer, you can make anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on your experience and the size of the project. Number 7. Project management. Now, project management might sound like just setting up meetings and emailing updates, but it's so much more than that. As a project manager, you're the one making sure things get done on time and within budget. You're the one connecting all the dots. Example: let's say you're managing a team that's building a new app. You don't need to know how to code, but you do need to know how to organize the coders, designers, and testers to get everything done in the right order. If a problem pops up, you solve it or find someone who can. You're basically the captain of the ship, steering the crew toward success. Income potential. Freelance project managers, especially in tech, can pull in $10,000 to $15,000 a month for big projects. Number 6. Content creation. This one's a biggie. We're living in a time where content is king. Whether it's blog posts, YouTube videos, Instagram stories, or even TikTok dances, content is what keeps people engaged online. If you're creative and can make stuff people love to consume, you've struck gold. Example: let's say you're good at writing. You could write blog posts or social media content for businesses. Or maybe you're into video production. You could edit videos for YouTubers or brands. The beauty of content creation is that there are so many ways to get involved, and companies are constantly looking for fresh ideas and perspectives. Income potential. Depending on what you create and how well you do it, freelance content creators can make between $2,000 to $8,000 a month. Number 5. Communication skills. You might be thinking, wait, communication? Isn't that something we all do every day? Yes, but being able to communicate effectively is a superpower in today's world. It's not just about talking, it's about getting your point across clearly and persuasively, whether you're writing an email, giving a presentation, or negotiating a deal. Example: let's say you're a freelancer who writes sales copy, the kind of writing that gets people to buy stuff. If you can convince a client that your copy will boost their sales, you'll always have work. People who can communicate well stand out, and clients will pay you more because they know you'll get results. Income potential. Strong communicators can earn between $4,000 and $10,000 a month, especially in fields like consulting or sales. Number 4. Sales. Speaking of sales, this one's all about knowing how to close a deal. Sales isn't just about pushing products on people, it's about solving problems. If you can show someone how your product or service will make their life better, you're golden. Example: imagine you're freelancing in sales and you're offering a service to a company. If you can convince them that your service will help them increase revenue or solve a pain point, you're in. And the best part? Many sales jobs pay commissions, so the more you sell, the more you earn. Income potential. Skilled sales freelancers can earn between $5,000 and $20,000 a month, depending on what they're selling and their success rate. Number 3. Marketing. Marketing is a broad field, but it's all about getting people to notice and buy your product or service. It's not just running ads on Facebook, It's understanding what motivates people and how to present things in a way that makes them say, "I need that." Example. Let's say you're running an online marketing campaign for a small business. You might create social media ads, write newsletters, or design a website banner. If your campaign is successful and brings in more customers, that business will keep coming back to you and paying well for your services. Income potential. Freelancers in marketing can earn between $4,000 and $12,000 a month. Number 2. Digital marketing. This is like marketing, but specifically focused on the online world. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, companies need experts who can navigate the digital space to drive traffic, increase sales, and boost engagement. Example. Let's say you're helping an online shop get more customers. You could optimize their Facebook ads, improve their SEO, so they show up higher in Google searches, or create an email campaign that gets people clicking and buying. Income potential. Freelance digital marketers can make anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 a month, depending on their skills and results. Number 1. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. And here we are. The number 1 skill to learn for 2024, AI and machine learning. These technologies are transforming industries, automating tasks, analyzing data, and making predictions that are shaping the future. If you can learn how to build, use, or apply AI in real-world scenarios, you'll be in high demand. Example. Imagine you're working with a retail company, and you help them build an AI system that predicts customer shopping trends. With your system, they can stock the right products at the right time, boost sales, and cut down on waste. That's valuable stuff, and they'll pay a premium for your expertise. Income potential. Freelancers in AI and machine learning can earn between $8,000 and $20,000 a month, sometimes even more, depending on the project. Final thoughts. If you're serious about boosting your freelance career and your income, now's the time to take action. You don't need to master all these skills at once. Start by picking one that interests you, or mix and match a couple. The important thing is to keep learning and stay ahead of the curve. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right skills, your path to financial freedom will be a lot smoother. So, why not start now?